Welcome back on your favorite learning platform. Hello, I'm Hamsa, your life skills trainer and a mindset coach. Today, I'm going to discuss about the top 5 skills to have the effective communication. This is going to blow your mind. If you are able to undergo all these skills and always work on it and have a greater practice, you got to excel in your communication for sure. So let's begin. Tip number 1. You got to have the mindset of learning. If you are not prepared to learn, that's when you are going to stop your growth. So always have the mindset to learn each and every day. Each day is a learning is what I follow, and every day when I start up new, that day I'm going to learn lots and lots of things. I meet new people, I explore many things, and I get new ideas only when I have the mindset to learn. So you also must ensure that you have that mindset to learn day in and day out. So you got to learn each day. Tip number 2. Listening. You got to listen to the person who is actually conversing with you, or if they are conversing between the other two people, and if you are also involved in that conversation, first you got to listen. Then start approaching with your comments or suggestions, concerns, whatsoever, based upon the conversation. First, you got to listen and then act. The tip number 3. You got to have the control on your emotions. There are people who will pull your legs, or there are people who might get you angry, or there are people who might play around with your emotions. Be very careful and have the control on your emotions. And also, when you are conversing, understand the other person's emotions too. You got to empathize and then have the conversation. So you got to work on the emotion control. The tip number 4. You must scare the fear. Forget about I can't do anything, it's not my cup of tea, or I'm so scared, I have that fear of mistake, fear of acceptance. So all those fear, you got to scare it away. Be confident, have a effective body language. And once you are confident, then trust me, nobody can let you down. So scare the fear. Just lock it aside and you just be as you, because every individual is unique and nobody can copy others. Even if they copy, it would be temporary. It's not permanent. Okay? So scare the fear as early as possible and start today. The tip number 5. You got to be very clear on your topic. Do not beat around the bush. Be clear and be concise, because the clarity of what you are conveying is actually hitting the mind of the audience. If that does not happen, how much ever long the conversation goes, it wouldn't be impactful. So once you want to have your communication very effective, you got to undergo all these skills and start practicing right now. To sum up, I'm going to give you the top 5 skills which is required, and you got to practice and start doing it today. The tip number 1, you got to have the mindset of learning. Tip number 2, you got to listen to what others say. Tip number 3, you got to control your emotions. Tip number 4, you got to scare the fear. Tip number 5, you got to be clear. When you work on all these 5 tips, you got to excel, and you will definitely feel the changes between you, and you will be able to converse with lots and lots of people. That's how you are building your confidence, and that's how you are working on yourself, and that's how you are going to excel each day. Do not stop, because once I give you all these tips, you are not supposed to stop after doing it. You got to implement. So when you start implement it in the different ways. It is not like you just go and speak for one person and just say that, okay, I've just implemented whatever I have heard in this session and then it is going to work on me. No. You got to have this practice each and every day. If you are able to practice as much as possible, that's how you are going to build upon yourself and enhance your communication skills, and you will be able to excel in all other ways. If you find this video valuable, please do share your comments and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification on all my upcoming insightful videos. See you with the next topic. Take care.